Hi everyone there. Welcome to Offbeat Psychology for Offbeat Information. My name is Tanishka and in today's video I'm going to tell you about the top 5 free of cost Udemy courses which in my opinion I think all psychology students must take. So whether you're a beginner or you are someone who is a professional in the field of psychology, I feel these courses are definitely going to help you in some way or the other. So if you're interested, then keep watching the video and watch it till the end. Also, I want to say that this video is not sponsored by anyone, not even Udemy in any way. This video contains the suggestions which I would like to give based on my personal opinion, because I am a psychology enthusiast. I love psychology, and these are the ones which I took on Udemy and I found them to be helpful. So yes, these are my recommendations for you all. If you already don't know, then let me tell you, Udemy is an online teaching and learning platform. It provides free and paid courses for almost all subjects, all streams, all topics in so many different languages. And the best thing is that you can access them from anywhere in the world, no matter where you are residing. So it's basically a MOOC provider. It's a company based in USA. Now, before I tell you about my suggestions or recommendations for these courses, let's just quickly consider the fact that why you should take these courses, the pros and the cons. Okay, so one only negative point about these free courses on Udemy, and for that reason any other online platform, is they don't give you a certificate because they are free of cost. Okay, other than that, I don't think there is anything negative about these courses. Now let me quickly tell you about the positive side of taking these courses, the good things. Okay, firstly, these are provided by experts, so you know that the material which is coming is being delivered by an expert who is the expert of that field. Second is quality. The quality of these courses is very, very good. Third thing is, you can mention that you have attended these online courses in your CV. So I feel you can always enhance your CV. Right now, you know that the pandemic is on. It's not possible to physically go to many places to attend courses. So in such cases, this is a good time where you can sit back, relax. And another good point here is you can access these courses from anywhere in the world. So no matter which city, which country you are living in, you can just get yourself enrolled in these courses and attend them. Once you have attended them, you can also mention them in your CV. So that way your CV will also get enhanced. Alright, two more very good points about these courses are that they are self-paced and they are available in lots of different languages. So because they are self-paced, you can attend these courses as per your own flexibility and schedule. And because they are available in so many different languages, you can attend these courses in the language in which you are comfortable with. Alright, now let me quickly just tell you about these courses. First up on the list is a course on Neurolinguistic Programming. Neurolinguistic Programming is a form of therapy. It helps you to change your thoughts in such a way that, when there's a shift in the mindset, there's always a shift in the situation. If you want to live a more positive and fulfilling life and live life to the fullest, I highly recommend. This is one of my favorite courses. After I took the free one, I also got myself enrolled in Kane Ramsey's Neurolinguistic Programming. That was a paid one. I also got a certificate for that because that was a paid one. But for now, it's like an introductory course, the one which I am telling you about. It's a course on Neurolinguistic Programming. Make sure you attend it. I'm sure you will love it. Absolutely. My second recommendation to you is a course on emotional intelligence. Research in psychology has shown over the years that to succeed in life, IQ alone is not what is important. It's more of EQ. People who are average in EQ and high in IQ, or high in IQ and EQ both, are very, very successful individuals in life. There are so many psychological researchers backing this point, the importance of EQ. And the course which I am telling you is actually an in-depth course on EQ. It's not an introductory course. So I highly recommend you take this and see how you function as a person. Understand your own emotional intelligence, and you will also be able to understand other people around you, how they react, why they do the things that they do, and why you do the things that you do. The next course which I would like to recommend is a simple course on the most famous experiments done in the field of psychology. Especially this course is very good for beginners. Also, if you're not a beginner in psychology, even then I would highly recommend this course, a very good one. You know, this course, if you attend, it will give you an overall idea and insight about the way research and experiments are conducted in the field of psychology. Next up on the list is a course on positive psychology. This course will help you to understand yourself better, and it will also give you those practical tips and tricks which you can use in everyday life so that you can live your life to the fullest in a positive way. My last recommendation to you is a course on CBT. CBT stands for Cognitive Behavior Therapy. It's a form of therapy which are used by mental health professionals across the world. It's one of the most effective forms of therapy actually. So this one which I am recommending is CBT for panic and anxiety. Now in pandemic and also otherwise, many of us have suffered so much due to panic and anxiety. I think the pandemic exaggerated everything. So this course is something which I highly recommend to everybody. If you take this course, you'll be able to help yourself and also others around you, because this one is specially for dealing with panic and anxiety. Alright, so these were my 5 recommendations, top 5 recommendations for Udemy courses which are free of cost, which in my opinion all psychology professionals must take because simply they are free and they are very good. If you enjoyed watching this video, then don't forget to share it with your friends and family. Subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in my next video very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye. Namaste.